Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on your studio. Today I want to test the new Google camera on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Follow me. Okay, beautiful. Get ready. This is my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Beautiful 212 megapixel camera here with the beautiful fingerprint. I have installed Android 10 into. As you can see, it's beautiful and is working. This is also One New A version 2.0. Beautiful. Now get ready. Okay, let's install this beautiful application. Okay, look on my field, and as you can see, it's here. Beautiful. I have downloaded this and I'm ready to install this. Click on install. Now get ready to install this together. Okay, let's do it. Click on install. Installing. Wait a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, application installed. Okay, click on done. Go home. Let's finish this. As you can see, it's here in front of you. Now open. Let's see if it's working. This is my first opening. Okay, click on hello now. Okay, deny. Hello, hello. Okay, welcome on the new beautiful Google camera. Okay, now click on OK and look at on this screen. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, you have all of these features. You have also this HDR. Okay, HDR plus on another. Okay, have this close another. This is for a flash, and you have also something in front of you. Great. You have portrait, panorama, closing. Why? Let's open again. Let's see. Okay, working now. Okay, great. And what? Okay, beautiful camera. A video to record video here. You can see you can't move. I don't know why, but it's blocked. Look at that, it's blocked. I can do something. I can't. Okay, it's blocked. Let's open again to see. Let's click on video. And now it's enabled. Okay, now is enabled. Beautiful. And you can recording. You got something special here. Look at here, 2.4 aperture. Look at this aperture. Now it's wow, with jaws. You can click here to put on 1.5 aperture, and we'll look at what you obtain. Oh, nothing. No answer on camera. Go on video again, and let's see. Okay, now it's increased. It's big now. Let's see 1.5 aperture. Let's click into to see. Okay, as you can see, nothing again. Come on camera, video again, and you have now this. Okay, great. Okay, as you can see, the quality is beautiful. Let's recording. Look at. Okay, wonderful. Stop. Not watch this video. Look at. Okay. Wonderful. I can see it's working. It's working very well. No problem. Okay. What is this? Click here. What is this? Okay. Can you see this? Okay. What is this? Okay, look at that. Is it a new feature? Maybe. Okay, you can zoom into, zoom, go back again. Great. Plus, minus. Okay. Now, click on more and you have this via net mode. Okay. And you can test this camera with night mode. Click. Okay. Let's see the photo. Look at that. And now look at the result. Wow. Oh, what are you doing? Look at. Wow. It's so clean. I think that is clean. Very, very, very clean. What do you think? Wow. Beautiful, more details. Great. This is what I'm talking about. The night mode into and the night mode working very, very, very well with 1.5 aperture. This is 1.5 or 2.5. Let's see. Okay, this 2.4 aperture. Oh, 2.4. Okay, 2.4. Go back. Camera again. 2.4. Okay, this is 2.4 aperture. Okay. Great. Now more you have so many features here. Let's see on city. You have slow motion. Let's see on settings. This is your beautiful new settings. You have beautiful things. Okay. Photo. Back camera. 12.2 megapixels. Front camera 5.2 megapixel. Okay. Video bitrate. We see 30 fps. You have 60 fps also. You can make your choice. Back camera, you can recording on 4K video. Look at that. 4K video, 30 fps. Okay. And let's see something. Let's turn to the front camera to see. Nothing. Look at. Nothing, bro. Why? Ah, it's working. Hello, how are you? Let's click here. I can see it's recording and it's working very well. Okay, no problem. Click on stop, watch the video, play. I can see it's recording and it's working very well. Okay, no problem. Wonderful. Hello, let's go on settings again. Click on settings and now you have what? Okay, you have now front camera settings here. Resolution, look at that. Great. Okay. Save settings. Camera sound enable. You can add grade. Okay, what you want. and advanced. You can enable what you want also here for more things, for more features. Another about screen. Look at that. Okay, go back again, and look at the grid. Okay, turn to the back camera, working, and now you have grid into your beautiful screen, and it's working. Camera. Okay, beautiful. As you can see, it's working very well. There are some new features in front of you, and it's great. Very, very, very great. This is a good news. Now I want to test this on my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Okay, on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share and get ready for that. Wow, this is crazy. When you click here, you have this. When you click, it's now open. Can you see this? Look at that. Look at that. This is a new update. Okay, there are some beautiful new features you can test and see me what you think about this. Now get ready for the next video on GNANGSTUDIO 4G. Subscribe today.